Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today, Bank Nifty and Nifty moved a little bit different, right? Why? Because Nasdaq was down yesterday a lot. If you see, Nasdaq was down 1.6%. Because of this, the IT stocks in Nifty were pressurizing Nifty a lot, and that's why Nifty continued to move down throughout the day. And if you see, basically below this level, Nifty took support and broke this level, right? So it took a pullback and then broke this level. As I said, wait for a little bit of price action. As soon as you see market is sustaining below this level, you guys can keep a target of 21,500 and market exactly reaching 21,500, but in the end, right? So if you would have sold options today, it would have been more profitable. Option buying wouldn't really have been that profitable. But yes, if you would have sold 21,500 call option, 21,600 also, all of those options would have been profitable because market pretty much moved throughout the day, moved down throughout the day, making negative price action, right? So you wouldn't really have faced a lot of issues over there, right? Anyways, what can we expect for tomorrow, right? First of all, talking about Bank Nifty has now made this sort of an ascending triangle pattern, right? Now, what should generally happen is that market should break this pattern on the downside for it to continue its move on the downside, right? And if market does break this, I think and if market does break this ascending triangle pattern, then we can expect the market to go down till 47,000, because this is basically the only good support that we can see on the downside, right? Before that, there is not really much support. You could say that 47,200 will act as a sort of a support, but I think if the market does come down from there, then we can expect the market to go down till 46,900 on the downside, right? 46,900 to 47,000, that is basically a sort of range that we are expecting. So what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now keep in mind that for the market to move up right now and break the all-time high is a little bit hard. Why am I saying so? I mean, sure, market could break the all-time high if the US markets continue to rally on the upside, continuously. That can happen. But if somehow the US markets do not rally, then we have our budget coming up in February, right? So for that, maybe the market might start profit booking right now itself. Market might not really wait till the maybe a week or two before that. So yes, be a little cautious over here, because yes, the budget is coming and there will be volatility, right? But anyways, on the downside, what can we do now? If the market has to invite buyers, it will first of all go above this zone, right? Once the market does go above this zone, then a lot of people will go ahead and start taking bullish positions, right? Because they will think that this resistance is broken, now the market could recover. But this is the exact place from where the market could move down. So if the market tomorrow goes above today's high, basically above 47,785, and if the market could not sustain over there, and you are seeing that market has started to make lower lows in 1 minute chart, you can go ahead and take a 1 minute chart view over here. And if we are seeing that market is making a lower low in 1 minute chart, then also you can go ahead and take a short position over here, and from here you can keep your first target at 47,500, right? And but I think if the market does go down this time, it will not wait over here in this zone and it will at least continue to move down till 47,200, right? So do not think that the market has found its bottom. Where will we expect that the market has sort of reversed and now could go up is only above this zone, above 48,200, right? Above 48,150. But for safety measures, we will take 48,200, right? Above 48,200 is where we will expect the market to sort of reverse, right? Or even before that, we can't really expect the market to give us very good moves, right, on the upside. So on the downside, as I said, if we open flat and start crossing 47,800, but if you are seeing that market is not sustaining above that level, you guys can go ahead and take a short position over there, because then the market will continue to move down very fast from there, because then it would have trapped all the sellers over, all the buyers over there. Maybe take a lot of sellers as stop loss and then start to move down on the downside, and then you can keep your first target at 47,480 to 500. That can be an easy first target, and then you can keep a target of 47,200. Maybe that target might not really come tomorrow itself, but if the selling has to come, it will come very fast. It will not wait for anyone on the downside, right? So yes, basically I am expecting the market will move down till 47,000 if we continue to move down from here, right? The only hurdle is 47,500. If that is broken tomorrow, then we can expect 47,000 very very easily on the downside, because then the market will sort of get into this big range over here, right? So now the market will go down to test the lower side of this range, and then maybe it might rebound from there, or even break that level and come down till the next support of 46,300, which was the previous high, and now it will sort of act as a support. But anyways, we will not go that far on the downside as of now. What I said tomorrow, I hope that is clear for all of you guys. On the upside, what can we do? Where can we buy? We cannot really buy anywhere over here, right? Because then there is a resistance of 48,000, there is a resistance of 47,900, all these levels, right? So tomorrow, one thing that you can do over here is, let's say if we open the gap up above 47,800, right? Well above 47,800, let's say somewhere near 47,850, 900, then you can wait for a pullback till 47,800. And then if you are seeing that market is making bullish price action over here in 5-minute chart, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here back up till 48,000 to 48,050. That can be your target, but I think other than that, there is not really a good bullish trade that you can take over here. On the downside, if you open straight up with a gap down somewhere near 47,000, let's say anywhere below 47,600, then also the market can continue to move down straight, right? So then we can wait for negative price action either in 5-minute chart, or you can wait for negative price action in 3-minute chart also. If you are seeing that market is making negative price action, then below negative price action below 47,600, then you can go ahead and take a bearish trade from here also. But as I said, selling will always be fast, so make sure that the selling is coming fast over here. If the selling is not coming fast, that means the market could go up again and then come down, or maybe continue to move up from here, right? So if you are taking a trade, keep your stop loss small over here, right? Wait for negative price action and then keep your stop loss small. Do not keep a big stop loss, because if the selling has to come, it will come very fast from here, right? So I hope that is very clear. If you open straight up with a gap down, let's say below 47, let's say at 47,400, right? Or 47,500, again, try to wait for a pullback near 47,600. If you do get that pullback, and if you are seeing that market is making market is taking good rejection from that level, something like this, then you can go ahead and take a short position from there. But let's say if you open at 47,500, we go straight below, straight up till 47,400, then we can also wait for a pullback till 47,500. And then if you are seeing that market has started to make negative price action over here, even over here also, you can go ahead and take a short trade. It is not a problem, because as I said, market has started to give us very good selling on the downside, and I think the selling is still not over. We have a good amount of space on the downside that the market can cover at least till 47,000, right? Because again, market had a chance to recover over here also. Market could have easily recovered on the upside and closed higher, but market hasn't even gone above 47,800, right? And Nifty on the other hand, if you see, Nifty is at a very crucial level. I said it yesterday also, 21,500 is a very crucial level that will act as a good support, right? But if you see, Nifty has closed exactly at 21,500. Now two things can happen, right? Either we open straight up with a gap down below 21,500, which is a very easy thing, because Dow Jones is also down 160 points over here. So if Dow Jones continues to stay down, let's say throughout the session, then we can also expect the market to open with a gap down. But we'll need to see what the Fed says, because today is the Fed meeting also. So the Fed might say something good, because of which we might open with a very big gap up, and then we can expect a bullish trade also in Nifty. In Nifty, about 21,600 is only when we will go ahead and take a bullish trade. About 21,600, if we go ahead and take, if we see positive price action, then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here till the target 21,680 to 670. Do not keep very big targets as of now, because even from here the market could go for a sell-off or at least consolidate, right? So market will have to sort of consolidate somewhere, and then we can expect a big move either on the upside or on the downside, right? In that case, if let's say Nifty opens near 21,600 itself or above 21,600, then we'll wait for a pullback till 21,600, then we'll wait for a bullish price action, and then we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade over here in Nifty. Same thing with Bank Nifty also. As I said, we'll open with a gap up and then we can wait for positive price action over there near 47,800, and then we can go ahead and take a bullish trade. First target will be 48,000, second target will be 48,100 on the upside. Only downside, if you open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 21,450, wait for a pullback till 21,500 to 520, and then if you are seeing that market is taking rejection from here and making negative price action, we can again go short from here. With the first target of 21,440 to 450 on the downside. That will be a small target, but I think once that is broken, then we can expect a good rally easily on the downside, and you can keep open targets. You can book at 100 points, you can book at 150 points, but I think that market could go down very fast from here. We can easily expect 21,250 to 200 levels on the downside. That will be our first support that we can see in Nifty, right? So I guess that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Also, if you open flat, you can think and market goes up till 21,560 after opening flat. If we are seeing that market is making negative price action near 21,560, you can start adding quantity, but until and unless 21,500 is broken and sustained below it for at least 5 to 10 minutes, though only then will we go ahead and take aggressive positions. You can start adding at 21,560, but only go aggressive below 21,500, and that because 21,500 is a very important support. If that is broken, then we'll see a very good sell off on the downside. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.